Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so as we are supposed to start our class with the name of Almighty Allah, so I told you that I'm going to randomly choose anyone and ask for the recitation, right? On the first day, um, uh, on Monday, Zainab did the recitation. And yesterday the recitation was done by Hassan. Okay. So anyone else? Okay, Abdullah, do you want to do the recitation today? No, why? Okay, Ayan Ashraf, do you want to do a recitation as I asked you yesterday, but there was some issue with the light, with the electricity, right? So you weren't in the class. Do you want to recite any surah? Anyone? Okay, Mahin. Okay, Mahin. Mahin, unmute कीजिए बेटे. I want every girl to, wear dupatta, cover your head with the dupatta. Mahin, you are
Yes,
doing the recitation?
yes, teacher.
Wear
Kul
the
hu Allah.
dupatta. Where is your dupatta? Where is your dupatta? We are supposed
Two
to cover
second,
our
teacher.
heads. Okay. Cover your head. Cover your head and raise your hand again. Mahin, cover your head and raise your hand so I'll unmute you again. And okay. Yes, Mahin.
Yes, teacher. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kul hu Allahu ahad. Allahu samad. Lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Sadaqallahul azim.
Okay, just Jazakallah Mahin. Thank you so much for the recitation today. Okay, so let's start our today's lecture. I want everyone to keep their GK worksheet set with you and a rough copy and your complete pencil box. I want you to write down some important points because in your quiz next week, there are some points, okay, which are really important. I hope everyone has kept the worksheet set and a rough copy and a complete pencil box. Yes, Abdullah, you want to say something? Okay, unmute yourself, Abdullah. जी बेटा.
Miss जीके का वो कब है?
Sorry, क्या कह रहे हैं?
जीके का वो क्या?
Clock.
Quiz.
जीके का quiz next week है. Next week.
Monday
I will be, no, not on Monday, on Tuesday. I will be giving you a reminder on WhatsApp. And secondly, I will be giving you a reminder on the software, okay? I hope you all will check this, keep a check on the software so that you know all about your homework and all. And I have seen a lot of students are not uploading their homework. I want every one of you to upload the homework, okay? Because I have seen a lot of students though, that they are not uploading the homework. And if when you don't complete your homework, that means you are not, studying after the class time, after the class time. इसका मतलब आप क्लास तो ले रहे हैं लेकिन आप क्लास खत्म होने के बाद पढ़ते ही नहीं है. सही है? I want everyone to फौरन जब क्लास खत्म हो जाती है उसके थोड़े टाइम के बाद like just play, have fun, and then after some time make a schedule of a routine, so it will be very easy for you to complete every task. Okay, so let's start. We have 13 students so far and we'll be starting. Okay, so what we learned yesterday, can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell all the fellows and me that what we learned in the yesterday's class? What did you learn? What did you get to know something new? Yes, Hassan. Boliye. Mine, wait. After that, I'll unmute you.
Miss Decimal.
Sorry?
Decimal.
No, I'm talking about the GK block. The GK block. What did you learn in the GK? Deserts. Okay. Oh, Which deserts? Pakistan deserts or the deserts in the earth? Who's going to tell me? Okay, Abraham. Abraham, unmute yourself, beta.
Teacher, desert in the world.
Excellent, very good. Okay, so how many deserts did I showed you in the picture? Yes, Maheen.
Teacher, 10 desert you show in the.
Excellent, very good. Yes, Hiba. Hiba, I have a question. Which was the first desert? First largest desert of the earth. First largest desert of...
Antarctica.
Excellent, very good. What is the weather of Antarctica? Which weather do Antarctica have? Yes, Zainab, unmute yourself, Zainab.
Cold.
Cold, excellent. Okay, which is the second largest desert in the world? Which is the second largest desert? The ones who are not answering, raising their hands, I want them to participate as well. And the ones who already got the chance, I won't be giving them a chance again. Give me 5 to 10 minutes because I want everyone to participate. After that, I will be allowing you people to, participate again. Okay, so wait for your turn. Yes, which was the second largest desert? Okay, Fariha, do you want me to unmute? Fariha, unmute yourself. Fariha, unmute yourself, beta. Okay, I think she's not here. Okay, so which is the second largest desert? Okay, Maheen wants to tell us. Yes, Maheen.
Third desert. Teacher, third desert.
Second largest desert in the world. Second largest desert in the world. Yes, Zainab. जी Zainab. बताइए. Sorry?
Arabian desert.
No. Okay, so I think you people are a bit confused with it. Do you want me to explain you again? Okay, let's give a chance to Abraham. Yes, Abraham. Which is the second largest desert? Arctic desert. Excellent, very good. See that this is what happens. You know what? Okay, thank you so much.
Fourth is Arabian and fifth is Gobi and the sixth one is Kalahari. Seventh one is Victoria. Eighth one is Patagonian. Ninth one was Saharian and the Saharian desert, and the 10th one was the Great Basin Desert.
Okay, excellent, very good, Abraham. Excellent, very good. See, we did a very small activity before starting the yesterday's lecture. I hope you all remember that. Let me show you on the screen and you'll get to know. Just give me a second. I'm just opening it and then you'll understand what I was saying. I hope. Okay, so here is my screen. I hope everyone can see the screen. Can you see the screen? Yes. Thumbs up through Zoom. Thumbs up through Zoom. Thumbs up through Zoom. Thumbs up through Zoom. Very good, Abdullah. Okay, Ayan Ashraf, Ishal, Hassan, Mahir, Malahim. Okay, Asad, I want a thumbs up through Zoom, although I saw your thumbs up, but still. Thank you, everyone. Okay, so here is the map of the world's Earth's largest deserts. Okay, and I told you that there are 10 largest deserts in the Earth. Okay, am I right? I told you these things. Then we did a very small activity in which I asked that you all are supposed to find out the names hidden in this map, right? And I asked you that there must be 10 names, right? आप सबने उसको एक paper पे लिखा, okay? Then what I asked you is to just leave it. सही है? What I asked you to just leave it. Now I will be explaining it to you one by one. सही है. तो what you can do is when you write that, जब आपने name लिख लिया यहाँ पे, let's suppose, just show, let me show it to you. Okay, काम करते यहीं पे करते हैं. Let's come under this, okay, and now let's suppose ये आपका एक पेज है, ठीक है, ये आपका है एक पेज, और इसमें आपको क्या करना था, मैंने आपको कहा कि 10 नेम्स लिखने हैं. आपने फर्स्ट नेम लिखा जिसमें आपने लिख दिया भाई आर्टिक पोलर डेजर्ट, ठीक है. फिर इन द सेकेंड वन डेजर्ट, ठीक है. फिर इन द सेकेंड वन यू रोट पेटागोनियन, because you did not know that कौन सा फर्स्ट पे आएगा कौन सा सेकंड पे आएगा. So what you did is you just wrote it randomly, जो आपको जहां नजर आता गया आपने उसको वहां से लिख दिया, right? Now let me just complete it. Then what we can do is, what we will do is that Sahara Desert and which is the Syrian desert. Okay, can you all see that I am writing? Can you all see? Give me a thumbs up through Zoom. Okay, which desert is left? Can anyone help me out? Great Victoria. Okay, Great Victoria Desert. Great Victoria Desert. Okay, so here it is. Mistakes that I have done. Okay, so here are the 10 deserts. Now what happened is कि मैंने आपसे कहा कि जो है ना ये you are supposed to look into this map and write down all the the names of the deserts. आपने क्या किया, जितने भी names थे उन सबको randomly लिख लिया, because you did not know कि कौन सा जो है वो फर्स्ट लार्जेस्ट है, सबसे बड़ा फर्स्ट है लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट है, फिर उससे सब नंबर कौन से नंबर्स पे वो लाई करते हैं, ठीक है. यू डिडंट नो दैट. सो व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू इज कि मैंने आपको यहाँ पे एक एक्टिविटी कराई जिसके अंदर यू आर सपोज टू राइट डाउन. ओके, देन आई मेड a list in a proper way over here, ठीक है. Now what were you supposed to do is कि जब मैंने आपको बताया कि Antarctica is the world's biggest cold desert, जो Antarctica है वो वर्ल्ड का लार्जेस्ट या बिगेस्ट कोल्ड डेजर्ट है. तो what were you supposed to do is, जब मैंने आपको Antarctica कहा ना, तो you were supposed to write number 1 in front of Antarctica, ठीक है. So that आपको पता लग जाता कि नहीं भाई, this is the first largest desert. You can do it now. You can do it now. अभी आप इसको ये चीज कर सकते हो. आप अभी लिख लें इसको, ठीक है. You can even do it now. It's not a big issue. आप अभी भी कर सकते हो इसको. सही है. Let's change the color of this. So that, okay. So here it is. ठीक है. Now हमने क्या पढ़ा कि what is the weather of Antarctica? Antarctica is the world's largest desert. जो Antarctica है वो वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा डेजर्ट है और उसका वेदर क्या है? कोल्ड वेदर है, ठीक है. उसका वेदर है कोल्ड. Am I right? Am I clear to everyone? I want you to write it down. I want you to write it down. I hope everyone is writing. Ayan, if you want to say something? जी बोले. Unmute yourself, Ayan. Yes, Ayan.
मैं सिर्फ गीजी करे वो नहीं लिखा. नंबर 2.
वो क्या बेटे?
Miss, down it down.
Okay, you want me to show this activity that we did yesterday?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Those who are writing, you may write it down, no problem. You can write it down, no problem. You can write it down, no problem. I hope everyone can see it now. Hurry up. Write down these names. Write down all these names. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Hurry up. Those who will finish writing, I want them to raise their hand through Zoom. Those who will finish writing, I want them to raise their hand through Zoom. Or give me a thumbs up. You can even give a thumbs up. Okay, Ayan Ahmed has written, Abraham has written, Ishal Yasir has also written. Okay. Okay, very good, Abraham. Very good, Ayan. Okay, okay, Abraham, very good. Wait for your fellows. 3 students have written. Let's wait for some more. Keep your pencil box with you. Just keep grabbing your pencil. We will be writing a lot of things. Okay, Maheen has also done. Very good, Maheen. Very good, Maheen. I hope everyone has completed now because it's more than 5 minutes. I have to complete the lecture and then we have to do some question answers even. Abdullah, please, my mic unmute. You want me to unmute your mic, Abdullah? Okay. Faria has also completed. Very good. Okay, let's find out. Yes, Abdullah, बोलिए बेटे. Unmute करें बेटा.
मिस आपकी आवाज बहुत कट कट कर आ रही है.
बेटा आप सही आ रही है?
No miss.
I hope
Miss?
yes.
मैं क्लास लीव करके दोबारा ज्वाइन करूं?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
सब ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा.
Yeah, sure, बेटे, no problem. आप लीव करके फौरन से ज्वाइन कर लें दोबारा, no problem. Okay? Yes, Maheen, बोलिए.
टीचर मैं बोल रही हूँ मैंने पहले से लिखा हुआ था फिर मैंने ना नंबर 10 नहीं लिखा हुआ था वो मैंने लिख लिया.
Okay. Okay, Hassan has also completed. Very good, Hassan. Very good. Okay, I hope everyone or most of you have written this. You have completed this, I hope. Okay, so let's move back to our lecture. Okay. So I hope everyone has written these names. Okay. I hope Abdullah is... Okay, Rehan, have you completed this? You have written? Okay, Rehan, okay. रेहान बेटा, what happens is कि जब मैं अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करती हूँ ना, तो आप लोग मेरे पास सब नहीं शो हो रहे होते, ठीक है, पर आप लोग मेरे पास 4 लाइंस में शो होते हैं. So what I want you to do is कि you know, when you want to say something, raise the hand through Zoom. आप through Zoom hand raise करेंगे ना, तो I get a notification. Then I can unmute you while giving the lecture. Okay? तो ये मेरे लिए that is very easy for both of us. इसमें फिर because what happens is sometime I can't see you people ना, that you want to say something or you are raising your hands. Okay? So okay, some students are having a problem. Let's I have a small question answer session. Yes, हिबा जी बोले हिबा जल्दी से. अनम्यूट तो करें जी.
1 मिनट के लिए मुझे नंबर 10 शो कर दें जी. फिर से मुझे बस नंबर
10 है ग्रेट विक्टोरिया डेजर्ट. ओके, यस अयान अशरफ, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. अब्राहम एंड ज़ैनब वेट, फरिया वेट. जी अयान अशरफ, आई कांट हियर यू. जी
मिस फिर से स्कीम कराए जो लास्ट रह गया.
ग्रेट विक्टोरिया डेजर्ट. ग्रेट विक्टोरिया डेजर्ट.
गुड.
यस अब्राहम, अब अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ अब्राहम. जी बोले.
टीचर, मैं कह रहा था कि आप कोई ऐसी एक्टिविटी करवा, आपने जो कहा था कि आप ट्रैक वॉकिंग करवाएंगी, वो आप कब करवाएंगी?
क्या चीज?
जो आपने कहा था कि आप ये एक्टिविटी करवाओगी ट्रैक वॉकिंग वाली.
ट्रैक वॉकिंग? I don't remember, bete. Make me understand, what did I said? In which class did I say that?
टीचर आपने इंग्लिश की.
Bete,
Yes,
English.
science.
Miss Sidra is teaching you English and science. Remember, I am teaching you GK. She is having an electricity issue, right? So that's why she's not taking the class. She will be taking a class if she's you know, the electricity issue is resolved. Yes, Hassan. Yes, Hassan. Sorry.
आपने इस्लामियत की क्लास में बोला था.
मैंने इस्लामियत की क्लास में बोला था.
आपने इस्लामियत की क्लास में
क्या बोला था?
ट्रैक वॉकिंग का.
मैंने नहीं बोला था, वो मिस सिद्रा ने बोला था बेटे.
Okay.
I am Miss Fiza here. She is Miss Sidra. Okay. She said that you will be doing an activity in her class. Okay, so let's move back to our lecture that was about Earth's largest desert. This is not your English class, not your science class, it's your GK class. You are learning about the deserts in GK class, right? Or you were learning it in the science class? No, right? Okay, so let's move forward to a small introduction, or sorry, not an introduction, to a small review of the lecture, which was related to Earth's 10 largest deserts. So I want every one of you to be attentive and write down all the points, okay? So here it is. Antarctica. I hope everyone has written the names. I want you to, you know, put a number in front of that अगर कोई जो आपने रैंडमली सबको लिखा है, राइट, लेकिन मैं अब आपको पूरे प्रॉपर सीरीज में बता रही हूँ कि फर्स्ट पे कौन सा लाई करता है, सेकंड पे कौन सा लाई करता है, थर्ड पे कौन सा लाई करता है. व्हाट यू कैन डू इज उस डेजर्ट के नेम के सामने आप 1 लिख के सर्कल कर दें, 2 लिख के सर्कल कर दें, 3 लिख के सर्कल कर दें, ठीक है. यू विल गेट टू नो, और फिर उसको नीचे प्रॉपर वे में लिख लें. तो जिस तरह मैंने जिस वे में लिखा हुआ है ना, इसी वे में आपके पास भी लिखा हुआ आ जाएगा. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? आई होप. Is it clear to everyone? Beta, now I am starting the lecture and I want you, I'll not be answering any question. मैं lecture end करने से 5 मिनट पहले सबको time दूंगी question answers के लिए, ठीक है. So now just wait, don't raise hands. Okay, so I will be just telling you that कौन सा जो है वो फर्स्ट लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट है और सेकंड लार्जेस्ट है, और 10 तक सारे नंबर्स पे बताऊंगी, ठीक है। और सेकेंडली मैं उनका सिर्फ आपको ये चीज बता रही हूँ कि उनका वहां पे वेदर क्या है, दैट्स इट, ओके, because this is the thing that you are supposed to know and it is important also. Okay, so first largest desert of the world is of the earth is Antarctica, ठीक है। the weather of Antarctica is cold. अब आप एंटार्क्टिका फर्स्ट पे लिख के उसके ब्रैकेट में कोल्ड डेजर्ट लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है। Okay, so the weather of Antarctica is cold. It gets a lot of rainfall, ठीक है। तो वहां पे जब बहुत रेनफॉल होती है और उसके पास स्नो जो है वो जो रेनफॉल होती है ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज दैट इज कोल्ड, सो ऑल दैट जो रेनफॉल, ऑल दैट रेन, ऑल दैट वाटर दैट it gets from the rain, it becomes ice because it's so cold. You all know that अगर हम किसी पानी को फ्रीजर में रखेंगे थोड़ी देर बाद it will become what? Ice, because there's the temperature is cold over there, right? So same things happen to Antarctica. Okay, so now the second largest desert of the earth is Arctic desert. Can you see the picture? I have attached a picture over here, and this desert, the weather of this desert remains cold. Okay, the weather of this desert remains cold. इस desert का जो weather है वो cold होता है, सही है। It gets a lot of rainfall. Okay, and same things happen कि small देखिए यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा होगा छोटे छोटे parts में ice बना हुआ है वो, ठीक है। So this is what happens in Arctic desert. The world's third largest desert. It is even the hottest desert, and its name is Sahara Desert. जो सहारा डेजर्ट है वो वर्ल्ड के थर्ड लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट्स में से एक है, और इसका जो वेदर है इट रिमेन्स हॉट, ठीक है, बिकॉज इट गेट्स अ लॉट ऑफ सन as well as it's it has a lot of sand over there, ठीक है। तो वहाँ पे बहुत सन भी होता है और बहुत सैंड है, तो इट रिमेन्स हॉट, ओके। यू कैन से कि वो बहुत ज्यादा जो है ना वो गर्म रहता है, ओके। Let's move forward to the fourth desert, that is Arabian desert. अच्छा, अब अरेबियन डेजर्ट, although it looks like a hot desert, but what happens is कि जब यहाँ पे समर सीजन आता है तो it becomes hot, और जब विंटर सीजन आता है it becomes cold, ठीक है। तो ये एक ऐसा डेजर्ट है जहाँ पे हॉट जो है वो समर सीजन भी रहता है और विंटर्स भी आते हैं, ठीक है। Now let's move forward to the fifth largest desert of the world, that is Gobi Desert. Okay, so Gobi Desert may look like that it is one of the hot desert, सही है, but no, it is a cold desert. यहाँ पे जो है ना वो गर्मी नहीं होती है, cold desert means वहाँ ठंड ही होती है, ठीक है। Now let's move forward to the sixth desert, that is Kalahari Desert. Okay, this Kalahari Desert remains hot in summers and remains cold in winters, ठीक है। The way we learned about Arabian Desert, अरेबियन डेजर्ट भी जो है वो समर्स में हॉट होता है और विंटर्स में कोल्ड होता है। सेम गोस फॉर कालाहारी डेजर्ट के विंटर्स में कोल्ड रहता है और समर्स में वो हॉट हो जाता है, ठीक है। ओके, the seventh largest desert of the earth is Great Victoria Desert. It is also known as Victorian. We can also say it Great Victorian Desert. Okay, so this Great Victorian Desert, it is a hot desert. क्यों hot desert है? There is a reason behind that. It is a hot desert because वहाँ पे जो उसके वहाँ पे ना commonly thunderstorms आते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा thunderstorms आते हैं. That's why it is a hot desert. Let's move forward to the eighth largest Earth's desert, that is Patagonian Desert. ठीक है, it is the cold desert, okay. And why it is cold? Because the temperature does not exceeds लेस देन 12 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, वहां का जो टेम्परेचर है ना वो 12 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड से ऊपर नहीं जाता, वो नीचे जा सकता है, लाइक 11 पे जाएगा, 10 पे जाएगा, 9 पे जाएगा, 8 पे जाएगा, बट वो 13 पे, 14, 15 इन पे नहीं जाएगा. ओके ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव. हु इज वेटिंग इन द Okay, so the ninth desert is Syrian desert. Syrian desert get rains in winter and get sunny, hot sunny in summers. What happens कि जब winter season आता है तो वहाँ पे बहुत rainfall होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा rainfall होती है, वो rainy winters रहते हैं वहाँ पे Syrian desert के. And when the summers arrive, they are very hot and sunny. Okay, so the largest desert of the earth is Great Basin Desert. Okay, so this desert looks like that its weather remains cold. Okay, for the 12 complete for the whole year, right? But no, what happens is it is hot dry in the summer and it is cold snowy in the winters. जब winters आते हैं तो वहाँ पर snowfall होती है और ये सब होता है, but जब summers आते हैं तो वो बहुत hot हो जाता है, बहुत dry हो जाता है. ठीक है, and here is the map of the deserts which lie in the earth, and there are पूरे वर्ल्ड में जो complete deserts है वो 23 हैं. ठीक है, बट जो लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट्स है ना वो 10 है. ओके, आई होप each and every point is clear to everyone. You can also write that. Okay, let me stop share my screen. Okay, I hope that everyone has written it. Okay, so okay, so what I was saying is कि जो वर्ल्ड में लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट्स हैं वो 10 हैं. ठीक है, जो लार्जेस्ट मतलब बड़े डेजर्ट्स हैं, और जो वर्ल्ड में कंप्लीट डेजर्ट्स के वो है ना, देयर आर 23 वर्ल्ड में, पूरे वर्ल्ड में ओनली देयर आर 23 डेजर्ट्स. ठीक है, और जिसमें से 10 लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट्स के बारे में हमने अभी पढ़ लिया. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? आई होप it is clear to everyone. I want the thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up through Zoom. Give me a thumbs up through Zoom. Very good. Talbiha, Arham, Maheen, Hassan, Mahir, Asad Ayan, Zainab, Abdullah. Okay. बाकी सबको किसी को समझ नहीं आया? Okay, Rehan. Okay, I can see your thumb. But Rehan, I want a thumbs up through Zoom. Okay, no problem. Abraham, where's your thumbs up? Abraham, where's your thumbs up? Okay, thank you, Abraham. Okay, Malahim also gave us a thumbs up. I hope every point is clear to everyone. I hope every point is clear to each and every one of you, because there is a quiz on next Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, but we have a quiz on next Tuesday, and it will be related to this whole thing, this world largest deserts. I hope you all have written it randomly. I hope you have written it in the proper way, which I showed you. Okay, and I hope that you know that what is the weather of each and every largest desert in the earth. Okay, right? Is all these things clear to everyone? Is there any confusion? Mahir, stop doing that. कोई confusion बेटे? मैं आप सबका हैंड जो है ना वो डाउन कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज फिर किसी को कुछ पूछना होता है एंड देयर इज सो मच कंफ्यूजन. आपको जब तक कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं करना हो ना तब तक बेटे हैंड रेज नहीं किया कीजिए. ओके जी अब्दुल्ला, वेट मलाहिम. अब्दुल्ला, अब्राहम, यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग?
No, teacher.
Okay. Yes, Malahim. Malahim, unmute yourself. Ask a question.
टीचर सेकंड वाले का बता दें.
सेकंड वाले का क्या बता दूं बेटा?
हो जाता ना, डेजर्ट इज सेकंड लार्जेस्ट, क्या था आपके?
सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट का नेम बता दूं आपको? ओके,
पूरा।
तो सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट का नेम है आर्टिक डेजर्ट। आर्टिक, ARCTIC।
नहीं, इसके आगे डेजर्ट इज द वर्ल्ड सेकंड, उसके आगे
It is the coldest desert. The weather of Arctic desert is cold. जो आर्टिक डेजर्ट का वेदर होता है, इट रिमेन्स कोल्ड। ओके, यस अब्दुल्ला जी, बोलिए अब्दुल्ला।
मिस आपका टाइम ओवर हो गया।
बेटे, मिस सिद्रा वोंट बी टेकिंग क्लास एज वेल। 2:30 से 3 तक वो आपकी क्लास नहीं लेंगी, बिकॉज शी इज नॉट हैविंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एट हर प्लेस। ओके, शी वोंट बी टेकिंग द क्लास। अनम्यूट करें बेटे, आप मुझसे म्यूट हो फिर से जी।
तो आप क्लास हर लेती रहेंगे हर ब्लॉक?
मैं हर वक्त नहीं लेती रहूंगी, मैं 3 o'clock तक मैं ही लूंगी आज आपकी क्लास में। सिद्रा आपकी क्लास में नहीं आएंगी बेटे, बिकॉज शी इज नॉट हैविंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऑन हर प्लेस। ठीक है, सो डोंट गेट वरीड, शी विल बी टीचिंग यू फ्रॉम टुमारो। ओके, ओके एवरीवन। ओके, सो आई होप दीज थिंग्स आर क्लियर टू एवरीवन। So don't leave the class, आपकी class end होने वाली है। There is just 1 minute remaining. ठीक है, I want you to join again and keep the worksheet set along with you. We will be doing the question answers from that worksheet pack. Okay, so keep a rough copy also with you. ठीक है, and your complete pencil box. Okay, I'm ending this class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Rejoin the class. Allah Hafiz.